Right, got me heater going, so I thought I'd just do a little video on this. So I've got my smoke machine connected up. So my mum's car on gas has been dying off because you need a better spark. Everything's got to be better to make the car run on auto gas or LPG. It's got to run better than if it was on petrol, just because it's a dry fuel. So I've got it connected up at the minute. So when you press the on button, it works for 5 minutes. See the smoke there, so I've just adjusted the feed. So my mum's was dying when she was pulling up to traffic lights and going into neutral. So I've done a bit of a quick fix for today. It is the intake pipe work that connects to the air filter box down there. So get a bit more light going. So all I've done, but insulation tape around it. There's a slight weep on it now. I just have to get my dad to order a new one from Suzuki, but it's not leaking as bad as it was, so hopefully there's no more leaks on it. I've always had a little leak on the EGR side of things on this, that's down there. But yeah, we're connected up. So you've got your reading there, and once the machine's pressed, it will stay on for 5 minutes. So if I slow it down, see the leaks there, the black dots there, see how it's going up now, just ever so slightly, but we are staying there. So the first red is 10 thousandths of an inch, second's 20 thousandths of an inch, and then the top one's 40 thousandths of an inch as regarding leak. So we're just bumping up there to 10. There's probably a slight weep, but with experience of it, you can get away with either on 10 thousandths of a leak or just under. But we're probably leaking on that EGR down there. Yeah. If I can get a decent shot of it for you. But yeah, there's the EGR there on one of these. Not sure if you can see any mists of the smoke, but there are mists of smoke there. Just ever so slightly small wisps of smoke. Not sure if you can catch that. No. But yeah, it's always had a leak there. See what's going on, there's like this a weep on the cooling side there. Probably just wants the clips pulling off, cleaning up, a bit of grease on them, and probably some fresh spring clips, because the spring clips do lose the tension over periods of time. So that's that. Any questions on the smoke machine and other bits and pieces, just let me know. Obviously it's knocked itself off automatically there. Obviously it fills the entire engine full of smoke. If the torch will work. So if I pull this off, it should get smoke. No. Just made a liar of me now. There you go. Smoke out the intake side anyway. So yeah. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe. And if you didn't like the video, please leave a thumbs down and let me know in the video. Any questions, just ask.